Lucy 语言家教。
Welcome to Lucy Language Tutoring. I'm Scott, and this is Lucy. Real English. No textbooks, no classrooms. Today's lesson was produced in Taiwan's capital city of Taipei. Please listen to this recording while reading the lesson. Enjoy today's lesson. It's all coming right now from Lucy Language.
There are about 1,350 active volcanoes on Earth. Each year, their total number of eruptions is about 50 to 70. There are tens of thousands of sleeping volcanoes, also called inactive volcanoes. The first known volcanic eruption was Etna, and that was way back in 1500 BC. The world's largest land volcano is Mauna Loa in Hawaii, USA. It rises over 33,500 feet from its base on the seafloor. Tamu Massif in the Pacific Ocean is an underwater volcano. Might be the largest volcano on Earth. Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is Africa's tallest mountain. It's also a stratovolcano with 3 cones. Mount Etna in Italy is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, and Europe's biggest. Volcanoes are also part of our daily lives. You don't need to travel under the sea or to Tanzania. Parts of northern Taiwan were created by volcanoes. That was a long time ago. They also show up in our daily lives. People say, blow your top. It means to suddenly become angry. Just like a volcano erupting. Oscar ate all the pizza before Lucy could even have one slice. That's when Lucy blew her top. Here's another thing people say. It's also related to volcanoes. A ticking time bomb is something dangerous and waiting to erupt. Volcanoes are not just in geography textbooks. They're closely related to our lives. They have shaped our land and are part of our language.